Artificial intelligence is transforming industries, from healthcare to transportation. But with great power comes great responsibility. AI is capable of incredible feats, but what happens when it goes wrong? In this video, we're diving deep into the dark side of AI, exploring the unintended consequences and real-world disasters caused by AI systems. By the end of this story, you'll have a new understanding of the risks that come with relying too much on artificial intelligence. Let's start with a simple scenario. You're scrolling through your social media feed, and it seems harmless enough. Videos, posts, ads tailored specifically for you. Behind the scenes, AI is deciding what to show you, learning from your behavior. But here's where the first major problem arises: bias. AI systems are trained on data, and if that data is biased, the AI will be too. This has led to major issues in hiring, where AI tools have rejected qualified candidates because of gender or race biases hidden in the data. In fact, one major tech company had to scrap its AI hiring tool after discovering it was systematically biased against women. Now imagine this happening on a larger scale, with AI deciding who gets a loan, who gets health care, or who is flagged by law enforcement. When AI goes wrong, it's not just a glitch, it affects real lives. Now, let's talk about something even more unsettling: AI in warfare. Autonomous weapons are no longer science fiction. Drones that can identify and strike targets without human intervention are already being tested. AI's ability to process vast amounts of data and make decisions quickly is exactly why militaries are so interested. But here's the terrifying truth: what happens when these systems fail? In 2020, an autonomous drone in Libya made the decision to attack a human target without authorization. The system malfunctioned, and a life was lost. This is just one example of how AI in warfare can go catastrophically wrong. When decisions of life and death are in the hands of machines, the margin for error is dangerously thin. But it's not just the military where things can go wrong. Let's move to autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars are touted as the future of transportation, and while the technology is advancing rapidly, it's not perfect. In 2018, a self-driving car being tested by a major tech company hit and killed a pedestrian. The AI system failed to recognize the person as a threat in time to avoid the accident. This raises an important question. Can we really trust AI with decisions that require human intuition? And what happens when these systems make mistakes on a larger scale? The stakes are incredibly high when it comes to healthcare, too. AI is already being used to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical data, and even recommending treatments. But what happens when the AI gets it wrong? There have been cases where AI systems have misdiagnosed patients, leading to incorrect treatments. In a field where precision is everything, even a small error can be the difference between life and death. AI's role in healthcare will continue to grow, but so will the risks if these systems aren't carefully monitored and regulated. Another area where AI is causing concern is surveillance. China, for example, has implemented AI-driven facial recognition systems across the country, using them for everything from public safety to monitoring citizens. While these systems are incredibly advanced, they are not infallible. AI-powered surveillance can misidentify people, leading to wrongful arrests or worse. In some cases, the systems have been accused of targeting specific ethnic groups, raising significant ethical concerns. When AI goes wrong in surveillance, it's not just a technological failure. It's a violation of human rights. The dark side of AI isn't just about errors or glitches. It's about control. AI has the power to influence decisions, manipulate information, and even sway public opinion. We've already seen how social media algorithms, powered by AI, can create echo chambers that polarize societies. But here's the real danger. What if AI systems are manipulated by malicious actors? Imagine an AI that spreads disinformation or a system that hacks into critical infrastructure. The potential for misuse is enormous, and the consequences could be devastating. So, what can be done to prevent these AI disasters? One solution is regulation. Governments around the world are beginning to recognize the need for AI regulations, but the challenge is keeping up with the pace of technological advancement. Europe, for example, is working on strict AI laws that would require transparency and ethical guidelines for AI systems. But regulation alone won't solve the problem. Ethical AI development is key. Companies and developers need to take responsibility for ensuring that their AI systems are safe, fair, and transparent. At the end of the day, AI is a tool, one that can be incredibly powerful, but also dangerous if not handled properly. The more we rely on AI, the more we need to understand its limitations and risks. The dark side of AI isn't something that's coming in the future. It's already here, and it's up to us to make sure we control it, rather than letting it control us. The question now is, can we trust AI with the future? Or are we moving too fast without fully understanding the consequences? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.